Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at using square roots. So if you happen to complete the previous videos simplifying square roots, today's lesson will be easier on you. So just a reminder, for numbers a and b, root ab is the same as root a times root b, like that, as if the square root distributes to the multiplication. And root a over b is the same as root a over root b for b non-zero. In this lesson, we're going to use equality as approximately. So when we say root 5 is 2.236, this is approximately. It's not equal. Because root 5 is an irrational number. So the numbers keep going on forever in a non-repeating sequence. So I just want to point that out for this lesson here. So example 1. If we know root 5, 2.236 roughly, and root 50 being 7.071 roughly, find the value of the following: root 500, root 5000, root 50,000, root 0.5, root 0.05, and root 0.005. So if we know these two, we'll be able to find all of these values here. So let's go right away. So a, root 500, we can split that up as 5 times 100. So root 5 times root 100. Root 5 is 2.236. And root 100 is 10. So 2.236 times 10 is 22.36. So the trick here, that what we're looking to do is break apart these values such that we have a root 5 or a root 50 in the way, because we know root 5 and we know root 50. So we're trying to break all of these up so that root 5 and root 50 will be in our values here, because we can use that. So this root 5,000, we're going to break it up as 50 times 100, because we know root 50 and we know root 100. So root 50 is given to us, and root 100 is 10. And so 7.071 times 10 is 70.71, like that. C, root 50,000. So this is 5 times 10,000. Root 10,000 is 100, and root 5 is known from earlier. So times 100, we get 223.6. D, root 0.5. This is the same as 5 over 10. We know root 5, but we don't know root 10. So we're going to go times 10 top and bottom. So we have root 50 over root 100. And this we do know. Root 50 is given, and root 100 is 10. So we perform that division. The decimal place goes to the left by 1 digit when we divide by 10. So 0.7071 as such. E, 0.05. So that's 5 over 100. We know that. Root 5 over root 100. So root 5 over 10. Root 5 is given, divided by 10. Move the point to the left by 1, so we get 0.2236 as such. F, 0.005. So this is 5 over 1,000. We don't know root 1,000, so we're going to go times 10 top and bottom, like that. So we get root 50 over 10,000. And root 10,000 we know is 100. So we root top, root bottom. 7.071 divided by 100. So the period goes to the left by 2. So we got 1, 2. So 0.07071 is the value of this square root. Okay, let's do another example. Example 2. Let's say we know root 7 and root 70 to be approximately these values. We're going to find the values of these square roots. So first, 700. 7 times 100. Root 7 is given. Root 100 is 10. Multiply that, 26.46. Root 7,000. We don't know root 1,000, but we do know root 100. So 70 times 100 is 7,000. So root 70, root 100. Root 70 is given. Root 100 is 10. 10 times this gives 83.67. Move the period to the right by 1 when it's times 10. C, root 70,000. So this is 7 times 10,000, like that. So we root each. Root 7 is known. Root 10,000 is 100. Times 100, period goes to the right by 2, 1, 2, 264.6 as such. D, 0.7 is 7 over 10. We don't know root 10, so we're going to add a 0 top and bottom. So root 70 over root 100. Root 70 is given. Root 100 is 10. Move the period to the left by 1, so 0.8367. Root 0.07, 7 over 100. We do know root 100, so we're going to root top and bottom. Root 7 is given. Root 100 is 10. Divide by 10, period goes to the left by 1, so we got 0.2646 as such. F, 0.007, this means 7 over 1,000. We don't know root 1,000, so we add 0 top and bottom times 10 over divided by 10, like that. Root each of them. Root 70 is given. Root 10,000 is 100. Period goes to the left by 2, 1, 2. 0.08367 is our answer. Okay, time for some practice. Practice 1. If root 6 is approximately this and root 60 is approximately that, find the value of these square roots. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that question. Okay, A, root 600, 6 times 100. So root 6 times root 100. Root 6 is given. Root 100 is 10. Times 10, period goes to the right by 1. So 24.49 is root 600. Root 6,000. We don't know root 1,000, but we do know root 100 and root 60. So we split it up like that. Root 60 is given. Root 100 is 10. Times 10, period goes to the right by 1. So we get 77.46. C, root 60,000. Divide that up as root 6 times root 10,000. Root 6 is given. Root 10,000 is 100. Times 100, comma goes to the right by 2, 1, 2. So 244.9 is our answer. D, 0.6. So that's 6 over 10. We don't know root 10, so we're going to go times 10 on the bottom and on the top, like that. So root 60 over 100. We distribute the square roots. Root 100 is 10. Root 60 is given. Divided by 10, period goes to the left by 1, so we get 0.7746 as our answer. E, root 0.06. This is 6 over 100. Root 6 over root 100. Root 6 is given. Root 100 is 10. Divided by 10, period goes to the left by 1, so we get 0.2449. F, root 0.006. This is 6 over 1,000. We don't know root 1,000, so times 10 top and bottom. Root 60 over root 10,000. Root 60 is given. Root 10,000 is 100. Period goes to the left by 2, 1, 2, so we get 0.07746. Okay, last practice here, practice number 2. If root 8 is given and root 80 is given, find the value of the following square roots. Okay, we're back. So A, root 800. Root 8 times root 100. Root 8 is known. Root 100 is 10. Multiply that. We get period goes to the right by 1. So we get 28.28 as our answer. B, root 8,000. So this is 80 times 100. Root 80 is given. Root 100 is 10. 8.944. Period goes to the right by 1. So we get 89.44. Root 80,000. Root 8 times root 10,000. Root 8 is known. Root 10,000 is 100. Multiply that. Period goes to the right by 2. 1, 2. 282.8 is our answer. D, root 0.8. 8 over 10. We don't know root 10, so we go times 10 top and bottom. Root 80 over root 100. Root 80 is known. Root 100 is 10. Divide by 10, period goes to the left by 1. So we have 0.8944 is our answer. E, root 0.08. So this is root 8 over 100. We do know root 100, so root 8 over root 100. Root 8 is given. Root 100 is 10. Divide by 10, period goes to the left by 1. So 0.2828 is our answer. F, root 0.008. This is the same as root 8 over 1,000. We don't know root 1,000, so we add 0 on top and bottom, times 10 times 10. Root 80 over root 10,000. Root 80 is given. Root 10,000 is 100. Divide that, and the period goes to the left by 2, 1, 2. So 0.08944 is our answer. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.